Alright, back out here in the shop. Got a new engine for the C10 in the bed of the truck. But today we're going to be working on the jet boat, getting the engine out of it. We got Chew over there, we got Micah out there working on his boat. We are going to get the hatch off, get some of the wires out of the way, and once that is all done, then we'll hook it over to the truck and take it over to a friend's house and use their engine hoist to get it out. They got a roof mounted one, as mine doesn't pick up high enough. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting some of this stuff removed and go at it. Alright, out here, got Micah hooking up the chain, seats out, hood's off. Got tractor over there, going to pick it all up, take it out, put it in the truck over there. So that's the plan now, so let's get it out.
Something back tight like that. Does that chain have another latch on, another hook?
It does. On the other hand, I just got to wrap up the slack.
Alright, so come on down and wrap around that fork assembly.
This?
Yeah. So you use up some of that slack.
Well, what we can do is right now it's pulling up at an angle.
Yeah, and that's where he's going to do it. Come back around and hook to the other corner and pull it back up straight to the other hook.
Okay.
That's my hooks. Burn up some of this?
Yes.
Yeah. Get up in there and help him undo that, redo it, or you're going to have to use a shorter chain. But I've only got one hook on mine.
A little bit of slack.
And if it comes up on an angle, Jake, we can always pull your truck forward or back.
No, tighten it back up. Yeah, I know. That should be about.
Alright, that should be good. Yeah.
I have the ratchet or something. This one will over here.
forward about 6 inches.
Alright, try to come forward.
All right. About 5 inches. 3, 2.
Alright, keep coming up.
All right.
Alright, that's all I got. I'm trying back out, man.
All right, back out. Yeah, still clear. Here we go, folks. She's out from the boat.
Come on.
That'll be good, Mike.
All right. Stay right there for a second. Hold tight. See?
What am I setting on?
Just back here at the back.
I'll move it right to
All right, you good? Come on down.
Come on down.
Right where you at?
Alright. I'm trying to come down easy. Watch your fingers.
Yep.
Yeah, we out.
Is that where you want it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can slide it once you get in there.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, hold. Come just a hair more.
Say again.
A hair down, hair more.
Watch your fingers.
Yep.
Watch your fingers.
Yep. All right. Up, up, and away.
Go ahead, back up, then I'll get the chain off.
All right. Boat is over in Micah's truck. So now we can get it home and get it in the engine stand. Now the next plan, we got to fix some of the engine mounts there and there. As you can see, there was an oil leak in the boat. Fix that, water leak with the exhaust, clean up some of the wiring, make it look better, and get it ready for the lake. So that's a wrap for this video. Look forward, guys. We got a new engine for the C10, and that's going to go in there. That's probably going to be next. So catch y'all next time.